let's get the headliner. Cause they can't do the things you do to me. We about to start a fire, alright. And you taste like kerosene. Oh girl, tell me when was the last time you had the first time? Don't even know it.
What up, YouTube? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have for you my Boxycharm for August. I have had this for a while, but I've been super busy getting my school year started, so I'm just now getting to the unboxing. I hope some of you haven't seen the box yet, but the good news is that there are a lot of variations this time, and so what you saw in somebody else's unboxing, you may see something different here. So, with no further ado, let's get into the unboxing for August Boxycharm. Alright guys, as usual we open up the box and there is a pamphlet that tells you about the box, what's in it, the values, and some coupons. Looks like we've got Smashbox and Laura Lee coupons on the back here. Here we go with the theme is Life of the Party. That's me, right? Life of the Party. Not really, more like the wallflower. I'm not antisocial, but I am very introverted, so let's just get into here. I already peeked. I know what's in here. I didn't look at all the spoilers, so I was a little bit surprised this month, but I'm excited about what's in here. I'm just going to start from the bottom and move up this list. Like, as usual, they have the descriptions and the retail value, all that jazz. So we're going to start with a Des, or a Desi New York, right here, and this is a sweet almond cuticle oil. And for years I've used something called solar oil, which I believe is an almond oil, and I really love it. It keeps your cuticles nice and soft. And I've had lots of nail colors from this brand, and I really do like those. And so this is what it looks like. I'll read to you the description. It says, treat yourself, your nails, and your cuticles after a night out. This lightweight, non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba oils that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that softens the cuticles, moisturizes, and hydrates the nails. And this retails for $18. And it's just got a brush like inside of a normal, like a, why can't I think of it, a nail color brush, and you just kind of sweep it across your nails and massage it in, and you've got a nice treat for your nails. What I do in general is put this on at nighttime when I'm about to go to bed. I keep the solar oil. I'll keep this now and give it a try. I keep this solar oil at my bedside and just put it on when I'm doing all my night treatment stuff. And in the morning, I've got nice, soft, and pretty cuticles. I think my nail tech might beg to differ, but usually when I get to her, I've been doing 8,000 things and having that it has included washing my hands multiple times. So she probably thinks my cuticles are always dry and crusty. Can't argue. Next one is called Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliner. I've not ever seen this brand before, so I'm excited to try something new. In general, I had really disliked gel liners because they seem to transfer up to my lid because my eyes are hooded. But I did try the Pretty Vulgar that I got in another Boxycharm, and it worked beautifully, stayed right in place. So I'm not as intimidated by this, but I'm excited that it's not just general black. It is a chocolate brown, and when I'm doing a really soft look, I really like to use brown eyeliner, so I'm very excited to use this. I have a Sigma winged eyeliner brush that works really well with these kinds of eyeliners, so I'm excited to try this. This is a retail value of $22, so I like that. Next is by Wander, and I'm loving Wander Beauty. I love their mascara. I have had a couple other things from them, but these are 3 Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. You guys know I'm all about the skincare and the masks and eye masks. This is after, oh, I didn't even read to you. Good Lord, I didn't read to you the description of this. So let me go backwards. Rewind. All right, here we go. It says, use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate-toned pomade is the ultimate triple threat. Well, that's super neat. You can use it for your eyebrows as a pomade. You can use it as an eyeshadow base and an eyeliner. So that's pretty cool. I like it even more. Now, to the eye masks. It says, after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. I love it when they give you multiples, because a lot of times, especially with skincare, you don't have a really good impression of how it's actually going to benefit you unless you've used it more than once. So I like that. Next is Smashbox. It says assorted lip products. I got a Be Legendary lipstick, and I had seen some other people got some Always On. I know my friend Courtney got a lipstick palette, so there was a lot of variation this time, but I do know I like this formula. I've been really enjoying very moisturizing liquid lips like I'm wearing today, Gin Nude, and also creamy lipsticks because my lips are tired of liquid lipsticks. They just told me, Sherry, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. So this is the color I got, kind of a nice orangey coral. And this is a color that I have been drawn to all summer. This is super creamy, super pigmented. You guys are going to see this in an upcoming video. In fact, just since I'm speaking of that, I will use 3 or 4 of these things in a video. The ones that I can use in a video, I will use them in an upcoming video. Alright guys, I was super excited. Let me wipe this swatch off because I'm going to work and I don't need melon colored lipstick on places it's not supposed to be. I got super excited when I saw House of Lashes because I love House of Lashes, and I'll link up here a video where I showed you a whole bunch of different ones in a haul and unfortunately I did have this one already. I have this, but fortunately it's one I really like, and I just keep these in my little House of Lashes lash story. This is a really cool product. If you guys have never shopped at House of Lashes, they have this thing that you can keep all your lashes in, and these are the Sweet Romance ones right here. And the good thing about House of Lashes is they're pretty economical. They're more expensive than drugstore, but you can use them repeatedly. If you take care of them, get the glue off, keep them stored in a nice fashion, you can wear them 10, 15 times. So I'm super excited to have these. These will be a backup for me. These are going to go into my backup drawer, and when I use these products in a video, I'll use the pair that I already have open and fitted to my eye. And last but not least, I'm excited. This is my very first Laura Lee product. I didn't say that the House of Lashes were $9 to $12. Not sure exactly what the Sweet Romance ones are, but I believe they're on the lower end of the spectrum, so I'm going to say $9. And if I haven't said, I don't think I have said, at the end of this video while I'm editing, I'll add up all the retail values and give you a value of the box. And I haven't even told you the information. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service, and it is $21. You get 5 to 6 full-size products. A lot of times they're luxury products, and it's my favorite box. If I got rid of every other one in the world, I would keep Boxycharm as my sole best friend. Alright, we have a Laura Lee palette. It says, Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette retails for $19. Dare to be the life of the party with Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Palette. Super bright colors, you guys. Gorgeous. It says, these 6 stunning shades create bold, colorful looks, leaving you ready for a night of fun. So, I'm just going to quit. I'm not going to even swatch it. I'm just going to go over these just a little bit with my fingers and just pull as many as I can get. I'll just do them all. But, whoo, I'm super excited about that orange. Got a nice purple, a neon yellow, a turquoise, a purple, and a frosty, a shimmery pink. This would be super pretty. In my mind, I'm thinking like New Year's Eve, or, you know, just out with the girls or something like that. Just have really outside the box, super pigmented, beautiful, bright. Can I even speak? Probably not. So, anyways, I like the palette, if you didn't notice. I haven't, the only person that I've seen actually use it and review this is my friend Summer, and she made a beautiful look with it. I've heard that some people hated it. I have a feeling I'm really going to like it. So, like I said, I will give you the details of an annotation with the details of the value of the entire box. I'm super happy with this. I don't have a complaint about anything that's in here. I will use it all. I'm excited about it. So that doesn't happen often with subscription boxes, you guys, because, you know, they can't suit it to everybody, but Boxycharm does a great job of at least including several things that everybody's going to like. And so I love this box. Happy to have it, and I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox it. As I already said, I will use these products. You will see these in action in an upcoming video, so be looking for that. Alright guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed seeing my unboxing of my Boxycharm, and I hope you look forward to seeing what I do with these products. Thank you so much again for being here. I think I said that 14 times, but anyway, thank you for being here. I appreciate you so much. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys. With the Vulgar Beauty little, it looks like a little inkwell. Where it went. With the
Let's get the headliner.